Y'all, today we're going to take a look at this RIDGID half-inch impact driver, variable speed reversible, model number RH. And what we're going to do is we're just going to take it apart, maybe see what's wrong with it. It's basically going to be a reference video for you guys. If you take it apart, you'll see how everything goes. And I've looked for those videos for some things, and this will be one of those. So let's get it going. Take this apart. We're going to need a T20 and a T10 Torx bit. T20, T10. And we'll start off with the T20 with the back 4 screws. Let's get my variable speed. Yeah, let's get those back screws off. I'll skip some of these parts in the video for you guys so you don't have to wait for every screw to be unscrewed. And that's those 4. Pop this rear cover off. And now we'll go to the T10 and start taking out the rest of the screws. Like I said, I'll edit some of this out for you guys so you don't have to deal with it. Put it on the faster speed. Got 2 down in here. Alright, let's get all those screws out. There's 2. Right, now we just got to pry it apart a little bit. Got a trusty screwdriver. Give it a little pry. Get it started. Come around the back. Get it started. Oh, I feel like I forgot a screw. Yeah, I did. 4 front screws. That's going to be back to the T20. Get those 4 out. Almost there. Almost there. Alright, here we go. Got that part open. Yeah, you can see where all the wires go. This part comes off. And there's 2 screws that hold that piece there on. You can see where the wires go. You can see where this goes. Right in that slot there. And when you put these back together, you got to make sure all the wires are in the right place. And they don't get pinched, or it won't close. You can see where this wire is. Like if you were to buy a new motor, it would be twisted, but it would be, if you untwist it, it'll line up just the way this is. So we might as well go ahead and take the rest of it apart. Let's get coming out. We'll leave it in for now. So now, to get the motor off, looks like we're connected here with the pins, 2 pins here. We'll take those pins out and they can come apart. So what we'll do is we'll lift this up. You can see it came out. So if you bought the new motor, it will come with everything. The switch, the new legs for the battery, and the motor. Everything is going to be all one piece. Okay, so we need to take this clip off here for the front. That comes off. You can see where it was in the 2 slots there. Alright. Now we just got to knock these 2 pins out. Something to knock it. Get it started. Just push the pin out. Push the pin out. Now if you grab it, pull it out. Okay, grab that one. Alright, so now this motor will come off. You gotta be careful not to get anything mixed up in here. But now, there you go, there's your motor. If you were to buy a new motor for this piece, this is how they come. Everything connected. Everything. This piece, you see where those wires go? The motor, switch, take that out, switch, springs, this piece, everything comes in one piece. This would be your motor if you bought it. It would come just like this, except this plugs in, so this would be already in the machine. You keep this, you don't have to take this part out. You put that back in, goes in here, just like that.